Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today what I am going to do is I am going to go over what we did for the bills. Now, I don't we don't have many bills to pay in the cash stuffing. I we haven't got the check in. I'm gonna do this now because my birthday is this weekend. I know I'm not gonna have time. So what we're going to do is we did the tolls, which was 70, subscription, which was 50. That was 120 for fixed expense. Amelia's college fund got 35. Gas got 250. There was a negative balance of 77. Honey has been going back and forth to Maryland. Groceries got 200, 100 in cash and 100 in the checking for Sam's because it's easier to scan and go. Honey's allowance is 180 minus 60. Tremont got 67. This is 2/3 of it. Discover 2/3 will be 130. Honey's car every 2 weeks is 206. 2/3 of my car is 172. That's $575. And the only thing that I did this week was the oops. Oops is in the low priority. So I wanted to finish the cash stuffing for the oops because I wanted to use the money for the wallet. So this is finished. I will do it off camera because I need to get it together. And this also, whatever is finished with 50. I think there's 40 in here. And so I put 70 of that in my wallet, which it will go into the groceries. Got my 200. The household got 20, health and beauty got 20, office got 10, and the home got 20, which was 70 for the categories. So 30 of it is going to go into, I started a Christmas binder, and the Christmas binder, Christmas category had $30 in it anyway. So I put in another 30. I'm going to use fake money because I don't like a lot of money home. I just don't. This is going to be sitting here all year for Christmas till next year, so I don't want it. So it's a category for decorations, loves gift, grandkids, grand loves, gifts, honey gift, food and drink, and oops, whatever I forget. We are going to host Christmas. My kids are coming. Grandkids are coming, so we're going to need decorations. It's going to be a expense that we need to start saving for now. So I am going to cash stuff the Christmas and the mini saving challenge, and also I know she's like, how many binders has she got? It organizes me, everyone. Yeah, we did January and it went into the travel fund. February will probably go into the gifts, into me or Honey's gifts, so I don't have to cash stuff that category. So I'll just take it out monthly. This will be cash because I will take it away from the mini and the tiny saving challenge. The Christmas will not go from the mini or the tiny saving challenge. We'll do that with something else. Okay, and the leftover groceries or whatever. Say if I have leftover digital growth that's in the bank, I'll put it into the Christmas, and we'll do it like that. So I am going to actually cash stuff some of these minis and tiny challenges so I can be finished today and don't have to think about it during the weekend. Okay, so if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.